Hi, girls. How are you? Nice to have you here. And you are?
Alexis.
And you are?
Alicia.
All right, fine. Alexis and Alicia. And give me a little word on what you're doing here tonight.
We are going to be doing a duet of the famous song, Take Me Out to the Ball Game.
Sounds good. It's all yours.
Take me out to the
game.
Take me out to the Buy me some peanuts and
Cracker Jack.
I don't care if I ever get back for it. For the home team, if they don't win, it's a
shame.
For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes you're at the old ball.
Yeah.